Today what we have with us here is the Nemo hull cleaning electric brush. It comes in the standard suitcase pack. Has got accessories like the charger and the pressure control switch. You have to make sure that the pressure is correct inside this equipment. Now here is the plug wherein you're going to unloosen it and then make sure the pressure inside is good enough to take it underwater. This is the key. You just pull this key to the center and the unit starts like this, and you take it back to the left to turn it off. An additional pair of brush is available here. So it comes like in a pair of two brushes in one package, and a good suitcase to carry it around. So we're all set here. This is like Allen key for the different brush, and the connector is sort of waterproof. Okay, so what we have here, this is like a handle if you for use in underwater. Suitcase looks quite sturdy, so we're good to go.